Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make cheesy chicken bake. This is basically a one-pot meal. This can be made for your next party or any potluck or just for your family when you have to just chill and watch some movies. It's just a simple recipe, few ingredients, but you'll have an amazing meal on your table in few minutes. Come on.
I usually prefer to use a little of both of butter and the oil. Once the butter melts, we will add the finely chopped garlic and saute just for a few seconds. We don't want to brown this. We will saute the onions until just translucent. Finely chopped mushrooms will cook quicker and mix well with the dish. You can totally omit these if you don't like mushrooms. I'm using boneless chicken breast and I have kept the pieces relatively bite-sized. Once it changes color, we will add the rest of the ingredients and allow it to cook completely. Now if you get hold of fresh parsley, then that's great. If you don't get smoked paprika, then use regular paprika, but the smoked paprika will give a nice smoky flavor to the chicken. Now this is homemade pasta sauce and I'll share the recipe with you soon. Small diced red peppers for that extra crunch in the dish. Mix it up well and no need to cook. Add the spinach and just mix. All this will get cooked when we bake the dish. We are going to use this right away. Let's see how. Spray some butter or oil and spread it evenly to grease the baking dish. As usual, the detailed recipe with the ingredients and measurements is in the description box below. Now start layering with the chicken mixture, then the fried onions, and then the shredded cheese of your choice. Repeat the layers with the cheese on top. Make all the layers as evenly as possible. Use any shredded cheese that your family prefers. Now this is perfect for baking. Cover with a foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until the cheese melts completely. Wow, look at how wonderful this looks, and I have to tell you that my kitchen has this incredibly awesome aroma which is making everyone hungry. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thanks for watching.
Wasn't it an amazing recipe? So quick, easy, and your family will love it. Now if you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of those amazing recipes that I'll be showing you in the future. This is a fun recipe where you can involve your kids, get them interested in cooking. A fun way for a whole family to be together. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.